Hi you guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. In this episode I want to share with you how to make oven roasted chicken with eggplants. So delicious, easy one pot meal. So let's get started. So we're gonna need bell pepper, and I have a small bell pepper over here. Look how cute it is. Good size of onion, garlic, about 10 cloves of garlic, 1 eggplant. We're gonna need a meat, freshly ground black pepper, salt, and olive oil. Oh, I forgot to mention about jalapeno. Don't forget jalapeno. If you want more spicy, you can add 2 jalapeno. If not so spicy, 1 jalapeno. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna wash this meat. So I'm gonna sprinkle in the bottom of the pan with olive oil, just like that. Now we're gonna get a chicken and I'm gonna put upside down. I'm gonna season it. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, okay, I'm gonna flip this on another side. And I'm gonna season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, there, sliced bell peppers and jalapeno. We're gonna add here along with jalapeno. It's good already. Ooh. So now I'm gonna slice eggplant. And when you slice eggplant, you wanna kind of big chunks as well. Just like that. That will be perfect. Just gonna throw it all here. They have whole eggplant, slice it cubes and throw it over here. Now we're gonna slice onion. So slice onion about big chunks. Eggplant and the garlic actually are really good combination. So I'm just gonna use whole garlic. So I'm gonna slice it and I'm gonna use whole garlic into this dish. Finally, I peel all this garlic, so I'm gonna slice it big chunks. We're gonna throw into our dish. Drizzle with olive oil. Season with salt. We already seasoned the meat, so I'm just gonna season the vegetables. Freshly ground black pepper. Woo, that's a lot. Sorry. So I'm gonna mix everything. You can mix with the tonsils, or you can mix with hand. Cover this with the foil and I'm gonna bake this for 100-degree oven about for 30 minutes with the foil, and then we're gonna remove the foil and bake about for another 20 minutes or so. So I got this for 35 minutes in the oven with the foil. We're gonna remove the foil, and what I'm gonna do, look how beautiful it is already. So I'm just gonna, look how juicy it is. Oh wow, nice. So I'm gonna mix this just gently here and there, just like that. Get all the juice on the top there. So now I'm gonna throw this back into oven about for, let's say, 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna just keep eye on it. My house smells so good. So this is just came from the oven, and I transferred this for the bigger platter so I can put this on the table, and we're gonna have a dinner with my family. This could feed about from 5 to 7 people. Look at all that juiciness in the chicken. The chicken cooked pretty well. There. Perfectly salt. So delicious. So delicious. I can't wait. I gotta go eat dinner. So I'll see you in my next video. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. I hope you give this a try. Bye.